We'll guide you through how to share project file Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because sharing Adobe Premiere Pro projects can be confusing, especially when multiple files are involved. They want to ensure all assets like video, audio, and previews are included properly. This tutorial helps avoid missing files, makes collaboration easier, and ensures projects can be opened correctly on another computer without errors. To share a project file in Adobe Premiere Pro, begin by clicking the Windows Start button on your computer screen. In the search bar that appears, type Adobe Premiere and wait for the application to show in the search results. When it appears, click Open to launch the program. After Adobe Premiere Pro opens successfully, locate and open the project you want to share from your files. Once your project is loaded, go to the top left corner of the screen and click the File menu to access more options. From the drop-down menu, select Project Manager to open a new window. In the Project Manager window, choose the sequence you want to include in the shared project by selecting it from the list provided. Next, check the option labeled Collect Files and Copy to New Location so that all necessary files are gathered together. After that, set the destination path by clicking the Browse button. Then choose a folder where you want to save the project and click Select Folder to confirm. Continue by checking Include Preview Files to make sure preview renders are included. Then, check Rename Media Files to match clip names to keep all files organized and easy to identify. Once all settings are ready, click OK to start collecting the files, and wait until the process is complete. This may take some time, depending on your project size. After it is finished, open the exported folder and make sure all files, including video, audio, and the project file, are included properly. Next, right-click the folder, select WinRAR, and choose Compress and Email from the menu. Then click OK to begin compressing the folder into a smaller file. After the compression is complete, right-click the compressed file again and click Share. You can now share the file through applications like WhatsApp or Telegram on your PC, allowing you to send your complete project easily to others for collaboration, backup, or further editing purposes.